I want you to just imagine something for a moment. A business that works for you, even when you're, well, not there. A digital creation that you build just one time, but can sell over and over and over again. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on the secrets of the chatbot template business. Okay, so let's start with a moment that I'm pretty sure we've all had. You're messaging a local business online, maybe a salon or a real estate agent. You hit send, and boom, almost instantly a reply pops up. Hi, how can we help you? It almost feels like magic, doesn't it? But here's the thing. The person behind the counter isn't actually typing at lightning speed. In fact, most of the time, it's not a person at all. Yeah, what you're actually interacting with is a simple, really elegant piece of automation. It's a chatbot. And tucked away inside this simple technology lies this quiet but incredibly powerful business opportunity. All right, so let's pull back that curtain. We're going to dive into the hidden opportunity that these little automated assistants represent. And more importantly, how you can be the one to provide them. So what even is a chatbot, really? Well, it's not some crazy, complex AI from a sci-fi movie. It's really just a simple automated system. It's designed to handle conversations, answer those common questions, and guide customers, all without a human having to step in. I mean, just think about the transformation this brings to a business. Before, they were just drowning in manual replies, which meant missed calls and, frustrated customers. But now, with automation, they can offer instant 24/7 service that captures every single lead. It is a complete and total game changer. And this right here, this is the gap in the market. Every single local business owner dreams of this kind of efficiency, but most of them, they have absolutely no idea how to build it or even where to start. That is the opportunity. And that, my friend, is where you come in. So you might be wondering, okay, how do I build this bridge for them? Well, the amazing part is you really don't need to be some kind of tech genius. And that brings us to the no-code solution. Okay, let's just get this out of the way. The first question that's probably popping into your head is, but wait, do I need to be a programmer? Do I have to know how to code? And you know what? That's the biggest mental hurdle for most people. The answer is a very simple and very resounding no. You don't need to code. All you need is a little bit of logical thinking. With these amazing drag-and-drop tools like ManyChat or ChatFuel, you're not writing lines of complicated code. You're visually designing a conversation flow. It's kind of like building with digital Legos. Let me walk you through a super simple example. Imagine a salon, right? The conversation flow is so intuitive. The bot just greets the user, they tap book appointment, the bot asks for the details, name, date, time, and then it confirms. That's it. It's just a simple, logical path from start to finish.
And you can take this exact same logic and apply it to so many high-demand areas. Think about it. Appointment booking for clinics and salons, lead generation for real estate agents, even basic customer support for e-commerce stores. These are real, tangible problems that businesses will happily, gladly pay you to solve. Okay, so you've got the idea, and you know the tools are pretty simple. But where do the clients come from? How do you find the people who are actually going to pay you for this? Well, let's talk about finding those first few clients.
Believe it or not, your future clients are literally all around you. Just think of the small businesses in your own community. That local salon, the dental clinic down the street, the real estate agent with a sign in your neighbor's yard. They all share the exact same challenge. They desperately need automation, but they just don't have the time or the tech savvy to do it themselves. And approaching them doesn't have to be intimidating at all. It can be as simple as sending a message just like this one. And notice what's happening here. You're not just selling a chatbot. No, you're offering a solution to a very real problem, saving them time and making them more money. It's a direct, honest, and incredibly powerful pitch. And this brings us to the absolute core of this business model. This is the part that makes it so beautiful and so scalable. I'm talking about the build once model. Okay, here's the crucial insight. You don't start from scratch for every new client. You build a fantastic appointment booking template just once. And then you sell that exact same template over and over again. Your effort gets multiplied with every single sale. Let's look at how this plays out. You create your template and you price it at, say, a very reasonable $50. You make your first sale. That's a great start. But then you sell that same template to 4 more businesses. With literally 0 extra build time, you've now made $250. So what happens when you sell it to 20 businesses? Well, that's $1,000 from one single digital asset that you built one time.
This is the power of a truly scalable product.
So why is this model so incredibly effective, especially right now? Let's just break down the fundamentals of why this whole thing just makes sense. Really, it all comes down to three simple things. First, the financial investment to get started is super low. Second, the risk is almost zero because you're not dealing with any physical inventory. And third, the demand from businesses that want to automate is only getting higher and higher every single day. So, we've walked through the idea, the tools, the clients, and the business model. Now the only thing left is the beginning of your journey. This journey isn't about having some huge budget or a super complex business plan. It's about seeing a problem and deciding to build a simple, elegant solution for it. It's about starting small, learning as you go, and just having some faith in the process. Look, as with any venture, your success is going to depend on your effort and your sincerity. But I want you to remember this. Sometimes all you really need to begin is logic, a laptop, and just a little bit of faith in your journey.